පුතේ ඉස්සෙල්ලාම කියන්න. Right? How? Yes. Tell me how many letters are there in English alphabet? How many letters are there in English alphabet? Yes? How many letters? 26 letters. There are 26 letters in English alphabet. Right? Then what are they? What are they? Yes, tell me. A. Yes. B. C. D. E. F. G. Is it? Right. These are the 26 letters in English alphabet. Right. These are the 26 letters in English alphabet. Right. Among them, what are the vowels? How many vowel letters are there? How many vowel letters are there? Yes. How many? How many? How many vowel letters are there? How many? How many vowel letters are there? Yes. 5 vowel letters. What are they? What are the 5 vowel letters? Yes, tell me. What are the 5 vowel letters? A, A-E-I-O-U, right? A-E-I-O-U. Then other 21, there are 5. There are 5. What are these vowels? What are these vowels? Vowel letters. Vowels, right? Vowels. Then other 21, what are they? Other 21, what are they? Other 21 letters, Mona Deva. Mona Deva. Yes? Consonant letters. What are they, Pute?
Consonants.
Right? Consonants. Right? Consonants. Then what are the consonant letters in English alphabet? Tell me. What are the consonant letters in English alphabet? Yes, tell me what are.
21.
Yes, there are 21. Yes, there are 21 consonant letters. What are they? Monodeva. What are they? Yes? Is I a consonant letter? Is I a consonant letter? I කියන එක consonant එකක්ද? No. Then the next one A, K, L, M, N. Then O. Do we take O? Do we take O as consonant? Do we take O as consonant?
No.
No. Very good. No. And then P, Q, R, T, U. Do we take Q as consonant?
No.
No. Then what is that letter?
Vowels.
Vowels. Very good. U and this one? V, W,
X.
is it?
Y.
Right. Okay. Now you know the vowels and consonants, right? You know the 26 letters in English alphabet, and now you know the vowels, letters, and consonants in the English alphabet, right? How many vowel letters are there? How many vowel letters are there?
5. 5.
5. Then what are they? What are they?
5.
What are they? Then how many consonants are there?
21.
21 letters. Very good. What are they? What are they?
C, D, F,
B,
A, L, N,
K,
L,
L,
N,
N, Q, R, S,
W,
W, X, Y. Pute, now you know the sounds of these letters, right? You know, right? You know the sounds of these letters because we have learned them. We have learned the sound of these letters, right? Now then tell me, what is the sound of letter A? What is the sound of letter A? A. Very good. And what is the sound of letter E? Huh? A, right, very good. And what is the sound of letter I? E, very good. And what is the sound of letter O? O. Then what is the sound of letter U? A, very good. A, right? Then A, E, O, A. Yes, say A, E, O, A. Again, A, E, O, A. Again, A, O, A. Again, A, E, O, A. A, O, A. Then tell me, what are the sounds of these consonant letters? B. What is the sound of letter B? What is the sound of letter B? Right. Right. And what is the sound of letter C? Yes. Very good. And what is the sound of letter D? Right. And what is the sound of letter F? Right. And what is the sound of letter G? Right. Then what is the sound of letter H? What is the sound of letter J? What is the sound of letter K? Then what is the sound of letter L? What is the sound of letter M? Sound of letter N? And what is the sound of letter P? And what is the sound of letter Q? And what is the sound of letter R? Right. And what is the sound of letter S? Right. What is the sound of letter T? What is the sound of letter V? Right. And what is the sound of letter W? Right. Then what is the sound of letter X? Then what is the sound of letter Y? E. Right? Yeah. Not E. Yes. Yeah. Right. Then what is the sound of letter Z? Z. Right? Z. Right? Okay. Then you know the sounds of these letters. Pute. Harida. Right. Ehena. These here. Now we are going to learn and an. What is and? Right? And an. And an. What are these and an? Right? And an. Articles. What are these? Articles. Okay? Right. We use, right? Then look here. What is this word? What is this word? What is this word? Bowl. What is the word? This word? Bowl. Right? Bowl. Right? Bowl. Bowl. Now we need to say bolayak. Right? Bolayak. අපි දන්නේ නැති දේවල් ගැන කතා කරද්දී තමයි මේ a and කියන articles දෙක එන්නේ. දන්නේ නැති nouns ගැන. දැන් මොකක් හරි බෝලයක්. මොකක්ද බෝල කියන්නේ?
ball.
right? මොකක්ද බෝල කියන්නේ? අන්තිමට අපි a and එකක් use කරනවා. හරි? මොකද්ද? a ball. එහෙනම් ද and මෙතෙන්ට එන්නේ කියන එක තීරණය කරන්න ඔයාලා ඒ rule එක දැනගන්න ඕනේ නේද? ද and එන්න ඕනේ කියලා දැනගන්න ඕනේ නේද? හරි. ඔන්න එහෙනම් ඒක හරි. yes. ඔන්න පුතේ මෙතනදී අපි beginning letter එක නෙමෙයි word එකේ beginning sound එක සලකන්නේ. right? beginning letter එක නෙමෙයි sound එක. don't shout up. yes. beginning sound එක. not the letter, beginning sound. හරිද? if the word start with a sound, not the letter a, what is the letter a? A. What is the sound of letter a? A. If the word begins with a sound, it follows always an. Right? හරි බලන්න. yes. what is this word? what is this word? what is the word?
And.
What's the word? And. Right? And the other. And to and. Start with a sound, we use and. Right? If the word start with a sound, we use and. Right? Then here, what is this word? What is this word? Egg. What is the sound of the beginning? Yes, what is the beginning letter? A. It is a vowel sound. The and. Very good. And egg. Right. Then
Egg.
what is this word?
Insect.
Very good. Kiana.
Insect.
Yes. Say it again. Insect. Again. Insect. What is the beginning sound? What is the beginning sound? E. What is the beginning sound? Yes. What is the beginning sound of the letter? E. අපි කොහොමද මේ word එක පටන් ගන්නෙ? Insect. එතකොට e. Insect. E. Right? එහෙනම් insect and insect. And insect. පහයි හිතන්න තියෙන්නේ. sounds පහයි හිතන්න තියෙන්නේ and වලට. Right? And insect. Right. Next one. What is this word?
Octopus.
Octopus. Yes, octopus. Right? What is the beginning sound? What is the beginning sound? Octopus. Sound. Octopus. Yes. What is the sound? What is the beginning sound? It is a vowel sound. It is a vowel sound. Then the and. Right? And. Octopus. And. Right? Now the next one. Look at the next one. Yes.
Uncle.
Yes. Uncle. Right? Uncle. Okay. Uncle. Then what is the beginning sound? What is the uncle? Yes. What is the sound? Uncle. Then uncle. Right? Mamek. And uncle. Mamek. Right? Okay. Now look at this one. Make a right? Look at this one. What is this word? How do we pronounce this? පැයට කියන්නේ පැයට කියන word එක අපි කොහොමද මේක pronounce කරන්නේ? Hour කියලාද? Hour කියලාද? Hour නෙමෙයි. මෙන්න මේ h එක silent පුතේ. අපි මේක පටන් ගන්නෙ අ වලින්. හ sound කරන්නේ නැහැ. හ කියන එක sound වලින් කරන්නේ නැහැ අපි. Hour කියලා නෙමෙයි කියන්නේ hour a sound එකකින්. එහෙනම් මෙතන මොකද්ද? ද and එන්නේ. And ne letter එක consonant එකක්. Letter is a consonant letter, right? But that consonant sound is silent. A sound එක silent, right? So our කියලා අපි start කරන්නේ. Our කියලා. එහෙනම් අපි and ගන්නවා. දැන් තේරුණාද? අකුරට නෙමෙයි and use කරන්න කියන එක තේරුණාද? consonant vowel කියන අකුරට නෙමෙයි පුතේ ඔයාලා ඉගෙන ගත්තු sounds වලට තේරුණාද sounds වලට තමයි and එක use කරන්න ඕනේ පටන් ගන්න sound එක vowel sound එකක් නා අපි and ගන්නවා word එක පටන් ගන්න sound එක consonant sound එකක් නම් අපි ගන්නවා හරිද අරකටත් අපි examples ටිකක් කතා කරමු let's discuss some example for this also right okay look here what is this word ball right what is the beginning sound ball what is the beginning sound ball ball beginning sound is එහෙනම් the and very good right ball next one yes yes dog what is the beginning sound then it is a consonant sound ned consonant sound එහෙනම් අපි a dog and dog a dog very good a dog next one what is this word tap what is that tap right tap what is the beginning sound don't shout පුතේ වෙන කතා කරනවා නම් mute කරගන්න yes what is the beginning sound tap ned it is a consonant sound then tap go and tap tap very good tap right tap look here what is this word hat what is the word hat again hat what is the sound what is the beginning sound either it is a consonant sound then hat and hat very good hat then තේරුණාද මෙතන වෙනස මේක h වලින් start වුණාට එතන අපි h කියලා sound කරන්නේ නැහැ අපි එක our කියලා sound is silent but here we sound the sound right අපි මෙතන sound එක sound කරනවා එහෙනම් මේක consonant එකක් ඒ හින්දා එනවා තේරුණා නේද right then look at this one
okay
right now look at this one පුතේ මේ word එක දිහා බලන්න
word එක දිහා බලන්න